Hey there iOS users, in today's video we're going to show you how to turn off Siri Suggestions on your iPhone or iPad. There are two different methods, so let's dive straight into it. The first method is through the Settings menu. Start by locating the Settings app on your home screen. It's the one with the gear icon. Tap on it to open up the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the notifications. Then tap onto it to access the notification settings. In the notification settings, you'll find a list of apps. Scroll through the list until you locate Siri Suggestions. Tap on it to open up the Siri Suggestions settings. Inside the Siri Suggestions settings, you'll see a toggle switch labelled Allow Notifications on the right hand side. By default, it's usually turned on and displayed in green. To turn off Siri Suggestions, simply tap the green toggle switch. It will change to black, indicating that the Siri Suggestions are now turned off. That's the first method. Now let's move on to the second method. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find Siri and Search. Tap on it to access the Siri and Search settings. Within the Siri and Search settings, scroll down until you see the section labelled Siri Suggestions. Under this section, you'll find Suggestions from Apple. Tap on each option under Suggestions from Apple and make sure they're all turned off. Simply tap on the green toggle, switching it to turn them to black. This disables the suggestions. And there you have it. By following these two methods, you can effectively turn off Siri Suggestions on your iOS devices. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switches back to green. Don't forget to give the videos a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.